Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping your name. This is where you change country and region, so make sure you are signed in. Once done, verify subscriptions and active balances, because Apple blocks switching with outstanding store credit or active Apple Music family plans. Make sure you have a valid payment method and billing address for the new country. Without that, the store will reject the change. Now tap Media and Purchases to begin the transition process. You will tap Media and Purchases, then View Account and choose Country/Region. This is the core step. When prompted, select the new country and read the updated terms because tax and content availability differ by region. Next, you must enter a valid local billing address and payment method. Apple verifies these details. If you have family sharing, you may need the organizer to change the region. After filling fields, tap Change to apply the new locale. Once you complete the change, open the App Store to confirm the storefront and prices reflect the new country. This verifies success. You may need to sign out of the App Store and sign back in to re-download region-locked apps or to update subscriptions. If the system blocks you, check that your Apple ID balance is 0 and cancel or transfer active subscriptions, because those prevent switching. If problems persist, contact Apple support and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.